Yacht party. Get mine. Duke money zero. D-U-K-E. No, D-U-K-E money zero. Duke money. It's that easy, Duke. Damn. I said we doing a yacht party. Get my IG.
Where at?
On the water. Yeah. Look, put in Duke money zero. Duke money zero. Yeah. I'm a Pomo detail.
Okay.
Alright.
Come on, Dre. We seen you hawking. You know what I'm saying? Talk to me. We seen you lighting it up. Making everybody else lit and shit.
I'm dry right now. I ain't got no alcohol. Let me see what's...
I know we need it, Nick.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I believe it, nigga.
You'll see like when I'm drunk.
What the fuck is that, B?
I don't know.
Alright, so you see anything?
Turn that shit. What happened?
You see anything?
Hell no.
I know it's nothing, bro.
Nigga just take my
Oh, he running down. He running down. He running down. He running down. Nah, I just like he asking for a size 9 and shit. Look how so rizzy Atlanta niggas are. That was Dick set? Is that Dick set?
That was this. I was let it slide though.
He was gonna let it slide. Why? Because it was Atlanta niggas? Because it was Atlanta? Nobody? Let's get a close up. One of y'all come over here. He said, where you finna go? That's what I'm trying to find out.
We got a yacht party.
Which one is
Some of I gotta give you one of these over.
He get you one of these over.
Might get two at this one.
That's right. We gonna ride down the block just like this.
Dead ass. I might just walk, pull up this with the God damn. I ain't never had
what kind of
God damn. I was thinking that too.
What you say?
He said the wrong one came.
Yeah, the wrong one did come,
That was
right?
the wrong one.
Light skin John, but hey, you know the ugly ones bring the bad bitches though.
What's
up? Hey, one of y'all get my IG? Yacht party.
Bro. No. One of y'all.
Yacht party.
They not trying to be seen. They niggas
I'll put the camera on.
They niggas know they not supposed to
Hey,
be
y'all on record?
This how you know they wasn't supposed to be out here in Miami. I never seen a group of girls all cover their face when they see a camera. That is crazy. I feel sorry for them, man.
We having a yacht party tonight. Get my IG. Bye, Lam. Look, put in Duke money zero. Yeah, zero. Alright, I'm gonna add you back.
L-I-M?
Hey, you get mine. What the name?
L-I-M?
You get my Instagram.
Hey, I'm talking to you. L-I-M.
What is it?
235-8322.
Alright, I'm finna write you.
Do a little 360 for us. Do a little 360.
Wait, take a better one.
Alright, do a little 360. Yes, sir. We got all that. Dude, posting.
We pushing it all night. Like, I can't even tell you how we doing it, but we finna do it.
It's tomorrow though.
We have been invited to every fucking yacht party.
Alright, but this one different.
We'll make it different.
Huh?
We'll make it different.
Because it's us, not them. I don't know who the fuck you talked to before. Huh?
So what's your name?
Find out at the yacht party. For me, I'm nobody. Them to somebody.
You shouldn't have said I have some self-respect.
We not here for
Get
that.
me out that camera. What the fuck?
Y'all don't want to slide though? Y'all might. All right, what's your Instagram? You got Instagram? Them niggas drunk as fuck. Excuse me. That's right there. It's Jersey. What's your name? I'll tell you so you can tell them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all in it. Where y'all from? Where y'all from? Pittsburgh.
Yeah, we are. Okay.
Come on. Don't do that. Lock in. Right here. Yeah, don't do that. That type of shit. All right, so how old are you?
I'm 21. 22.
How long y'all out here for?
This is my last day. I've been out here for a week.
Yeah, we just got out here though, so we got a couple days left.
Oh, all right, so y'all ain't doing nothing tonight or tomorrow?
We trying to find what y'all doing.
All right, so y'all got Instagram. We got yacht party. We got night swim.
Tackling somebody.
Don't make me piss.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, let me get your Instagram so I can give it to you, yo. Damn, all them cops went for that one situation?
Like content right now.
Folk now, bullshit.
Well, I went to the spot. Shit get serious tonight. I swear to God. They keep that camera rolling.
Oh, yeah.
You did first, but I did second. Back on you. Where we going? Man, they still got hollow poles.
They still coming, bro. Like,
Them niggas is spawning in.
nigga, what the fuck these niggas got? Like, nigga, all of them right here and shit. Nigga said good time to do a what?
Great time to do a heist right now.
Great time.
I nigga really got 6 stars, bro.
That nigga do got 6 stars. Look at all them fucking. I forgot I could zoom all the way over there. Look at this shit, bro.
Them niggas spawned out of nowhere, bro.
Look at this shit.
Here though.
So keep that bitch slide.
Yeah, popped up.
Don't do none of that.
Oh, man, all right. I see he's smoking a black and now. You don't smoke. They smell like it.
That was crazy.
When? Address. Yeah, sure.
Hey, what y'all got going tonight?
You want to dance for the camera? You know what I'm saying? How you gotta give me a little, a twirl. Type shit.
Right around. Tonight?
That's why I did that. You just got yourself an intro, buddy.
Way out here in Florida, you know the vibe.
You from down here?
No, I'm from Texas, Dallas, Texas. I don't look like it.
Nah. Alright, but when you walk away slow so we can see. Type shit.
Really bend over, really?
Yeah, you can bend over too.
Let me grab it.
Let him grab it. Bruh, that shit went from walk slow, shake it, to let me grab it.
Okay, then.
He's like that.
Okay, then.
Hey, my bad.
Come down to a point where I realized, bro, they didn't make me 6'3" for a reason.
Cause you would be a fucking problem, right?
I don't even gotta go to the league. I just be a problem.
This is what I'm talking about.
I'm not saying though. I need you to stand on that. Follow me on Instagram.
I literally came out here when I found that. Don't record. Hey.
Come here real quick. Nah, that be it, load on. Follow me back.
Talk to him. Post game. Let him know
This shit easy. I don't want none of these hoes. I'm just doing this shit for the camera. I swear to God.
What's up? Goddamn, you stop one more time. Okay, bitch, I ain't gonna stop doing shit.
Nigga, you know me, bro. Why you trying to follow me? I said I'll try to hit you up.
Dre,
Yo.
you tall as fuck, cool guy.
I didn't get that. Are we on the news? Is this the news? Yeah, shout out 30, what you doing, man? We got, you already know the vibes, man. We out here, you know what I'm saying? Positive Miami vibes, you know what I'm saying? Positive Miami vibes. Kumba, I don't even know you, bro. What's your name?
That's a fact. I'm Dre.
Dre, this is, come on, bro. Spring break, bring it back, man. You already know, man.
You know, he's from there. He's from there.
Y'all been getting me on that camera?
No, it's not, you're not on the
Well,
camera.
let me be in the background. What's going on? All right, cool.
Y'all gotta have a time.
Y'all gotta have a good time. Now y'all can come on our pool party.
When? Nigga, you hear me asking?
Tonight.
What time?
Hey,
Let y'all know.
come here real quick.
Y'all drink.
Of course. Are you done?
Y'all don't drink.
I'm bringing my own shit.
Oh, y'all, Bob.
You crazy as hell. Nigga, I drink. Fuck.
Hey, follow. Hey, turn around real quick, man.
Why I'm turning around? Nigga, you turn around. Fuck you turn around. Turn around.
Monday.
Okay, so what you done out here?
I'm out here just turn. I'm just, for me, I like to shave my ass. I like to look good. I like to party. I like to, you know what I mean? I'm gonna shave my ass. Hey, girl.
She's going crazy. You see that?
Yeah, why you gotta put me in the
I was just like, you know, you see that. I know, right?